Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Ashkimiti Zainal Abidin and I am a student in MGP 548. This presentation is a self-reflection connecting key concepts of organizational behavior (OB) to my personal life, specifically through the lens of my INTP personality, the logician. I will discuss my personality, core values, and three specific reflections on perception, motivation, and attitude. So, what is organizational behavior or OB? Organizational behavior (OB) is an applied field that systematically investigates the impact of individuals, groups, and structure on behavior within organizations. Its ultimate purpose is to apply this knowledge to improve effectiveness. OB is crucial because it helps us manage behavior across the three levels of analysis: the individual level, like personality, the group level, like communication, and the organizational system level, like structure. Understanding OB translates directly into better teamwork and higher quality outcome. Next is my personal foundation, personality and values. I identify with the INTP profile. This means I am introvert. I recharge through deep reflection, thinking. I prioritize objective logic and analysis over emotions. Persevering. I prefer flexibility and keeping options open over rigid planning. My core behavior is driven by two main values: intellectual competence and search for objective truth. These values compel me to analyze problems deeply and ensure any solution I support is logically sound. Then is reflection and application, perception and decision making. My first reflection connects perception and decision making. As an INTP, my goal is to logically consistency in group settings. My silence is not disinterest, it is a period of analysis. I consciously use this strategic pause to test arguments against my internal logic framework. This helped me avoid bounded rationality, which suggests that humans simplify complex problems. My instinct is to embrace complexity. My best solution come not from speed, but from ensuring all possibilities are logically mapped out and the final choice aligns with the objective truth of the situation. Next is motivation inner. The second concept is motivation. My drive is not external reward, but intrinsic motivation, the joy of solving a complex problem. This aligns with cognitive evaluation theory, where competence and autonomy are key. My motivation is highest when I have autonomy to pursue the abstract why of a task and the freedom to develop my own logical method. For example, my studies are motivated by the satisfaction of mastering a difficult theoretical concept, not just getting a good grade. The intellectual challenge itself is the reward, confirming my need for intellectual competence. Finally is attitude and job satisfaction. I reflect on attitude and job satisfaction for an INTP. My job satisfaction is intrinsically tied to the logical coherence and intellectual challenge of the task. My attitude becomes negative when a task is repetitive or inefficient. This creates cognitive dissonance. I experienced this when we had to follow a group methodology that was clearly inefficient. My attitude initially plummeted. To resolve this internal conflict, I reframed the task. I challenged the goal from following a method to an analytical challenge to prove a superior methodology. By shifting my focus to system optimization, I fulfill my need for intellectual competence. This strategic cognitive shift immediately improved my attitude and allowed me to find satisfaction in the world. And for the conclusion, studying OB has taught me how my INTP approach, prioritizing logic and autonomy, shapes my behavior. I have learned to leverage my analytical silence for better decision making. I identify intrinsic motivation as my main driver and use cognitive dissonance to improve my attitude toward challenging tasks. Thank you for your time and attention. Bye bye.